This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm just going to run you through the process of doing a simple swipe, and I'll list the colors as they come by. So turn up the music and enjoy.
People knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. I remember her in songs, decades old, but it doesn't matter. Stumble across some memories, try to recall before they all shatter. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, but she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survived the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg. Dear Lily, you're so keen on telling me. Everybody's worried, saying that I'm in too deep. Keep it all together, move on to bigger things. Chasing all the highs, 'cause I'm not giving up my dream. No, I'm not giving up my dream. Although you don't believe in me, the only thing I need to know, I find it in my heart and soul. If I could find a word to make peace and a single word that made your heart open, I could have been your good friend until the end. Oh, if I could find a word to make peace and a single word that made your heart open, wish I could been your good friend until the end. Oh, I wanna look back and laugh when I'm older. 2 feet on solid ground and head on my shoulders. If you tell me to jump, I might get a little higher. I give everything I got, honey, you should try it. No, I'm not giving up my dream. Although you don't believe in me, the only thing I need to know, I find it in my heart and soul. If I could find a word to make peace and a single word that made your heart open, I could have been your good friend until the end. Oh, if I could find a word to make peace and a single word that made your heart open, wish I could been your good friend until the end. If I could find a word to make peace and a single word that made your heart open, wish I could be your good friend until the end.
It's about time for the flyover. I really do love the way these cells stretched out, and the interplay of the colors couldn't have been any better. I really love that storm and how it plays with everything I've used it with it so far. So I think this is it's going to be a winner once I resin it up. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Thanks again for being here, and I hope that you got something out of this today. Bye for now.